Hey, what's up, everybody? Tanvir Upon here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today, we are going to learn how you can change or replace any sky from any image in one click. So, let's jump into Photoshop. Suppose you want to change this image sky here. You want different kind of sky with cloud, with more brightness, etc. There is a built-in feature of Photoshop. By using the tool, we can easily remove or replace this sky from this background. So for that, go to the menu bar here, Edit, and select Sky Replacement. Here you'll see a pop-up like this. The preview is loading right now. You can see the sky is already replaced. You can select any sky from here. There are a few options: blue skies, spectacular, and sunset. From here you can select any of it and you will see the changes here. So let's pick a different one. I will choose one from the blue sky, this one. Also you can shift its edge here. If you decrease the shift edge number, you will see the previous version of the sky. Here you can see we'll put it to in 0. Also you can increase the brightness, so you can increase or decrease the temperature. I think it's fine here on -62, or the brightness in 28 or 3. It's fine on 7. I like it. So press OK. You can see here the output result comes here with the new layers. Here is a folder sky replacement group. Uncheck this. You can see the previous version here, and this is the updated version. So this is how you can change any sky or replace any sky from any image with just one click. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now stay focused and keep learning.